If you're eating like a horse but still look like a stick, you're not a hard gainer, you're just not eating the right calories. Today, I'm going to Walmart to show you how to gain 10 pounds of muscle for under $30 a week. No supplements, just real food. Let's address the elephant in the room, your metabolism. You think you're eating a lot, but you're likely hitting a caloric ceiling. Most people in the fitness space tell you to eat clean chicken breast, broccoli, and brown rice. For a hard gainer, that is a recipe for failure. Why? Because those foods have low caloric density. You get full before you hit your surplus. In 2026, the science is clear. Hypertrophy requires a 300,500 calorie surplus above maintenance. If your furnace is burning 3,000 calories just by existing, you need 3,500 to grow. If you're struggling to chew through 6 cups of rice, you're doing it wrong. We're going to Walmart to find the cheat codes, foods that are high in calories, easy to digest, and dirt cheap. We're looking for the highest anabolic to dollar ratio. Let's head inside. Coming in at number 5, old-fashioned oats. A massive 42 ounces tub is less than $5. Now, stop making oatmeal the boring way. Hard gainers don't have time to sit and eat a bowl of mush for 20 minutes. The science. Oats are a complex carbohydrate with a low glycemic index. They provide a steady stream of glucose to your muscles, preventing that midday crash. But here is the 2026 hard gainer hack. Blend them dry. Turn them into oat flour. By grinding them, you're essentially pre-digesting the carbs, making them take up 50% less space in your stomach. You can add 100 grams of oat flour to any shake and drink 400 calories in 30 seconds. That is how you bypass your satiety signals. One tub of this gives you 30 days of muscle fuel for the price of a Starbucks coffee. Number 4. The humble egg. Specifically, the 36-count bulk packs. Eggs are the most bioavailable protein source on the planet. Forget that egg whites only trend. That's for people trying to lose weight. As a hard gainer, the yolk is your best friend. The breakdown. The yolk contains healthy fats and cholesterol, which are the building blocks of testosterone. In 2026, we know that dietary cholesterol in moderation supports muscle cell membrane integrity. If you aren't eating 4 to 6 whole eggs for breakfast, you're leaving gains on the table. That's 36 grams of high-quality protein and 30 grams of healthy fats for less than 80 cents. It's the cheapest way to spike muscle protein synthesis, MPS, first thing in the morning. If you're worried about cooking time, just hard boil a dozen on Sunday. No excuses. Number 3. Whole milk. This is the ultimate weapon for the "I'm not hungry" crowd. The liquid advantage. Your brain's hunger hormones, ghrelin and leptin, don't react to liquid calories the same way they do to solids. You can drink 500 calories of milk and be hungry again in an hour. 1 gallon of great value whole milk is roughly $3.50 and contains 2,400 calories and 128 grams of protein. Now, I'm not saying you should do GOMAD, gallon of milk a day. That's extreme. But adding 2 12-ounce glasses of milk to your day adds 450 calories and 24 grams of protein. It's effortless. If you're lactose intolerant, Walmart's lactose-free options are still cheaper than any mass gainer supplement. Milk also contains casein, a slow-digesting protein that keeps your body in an anabolic state while you sleep. It's the original, before-bed, supplement. Number 2. Russet potatoes. A 5 pounds bag for $5. Most people default to white rice, but potatoes are the secret weapon for a full look. The potassium factor. Potatoes have more potassium than bananas. Potassium is an intracellular electrolyte. It pulls water inside the muscle cell, not just under the skin. This gives you better pumps and prevents muscle cramps during heavy lifts. The prep hack. Hard gainers often struggle with the volume of food. Rice can feel heavy. But potatoes? You can mash them, air fry them, or microwave them in 5 minutes. They are incredibly easy to digest, meaning your gut clears out faster, making room for your next meal. If you want to look bigger tomorrow, start eating 2 large potatoes with your dinner tonight. It's clean, it's cheap, and it's effective. And finally, the undisputed king of the bulking aisle, great value peanut butter. One 40 ounces jar is $4.88. This single jar contains 7,000 calories. The math of growth. To gain 1 pound of weight, you need a cumulative surplus of about 3,500 calories. This jar literally contains 2 pounds of potential body weight. 2 tablespoons is 190 calories. You can hide this in your oats, spread it on fruit, or, if you're desperate, just eat a spoonful after every meal. It is the most calorie-dense food in Walmart. It's packed with monounsaturated fats which are heart-healthy and support hormone production. If you are a hard gainer and you don't have a jar of this in your pantry, you aren't serious about your transformation. Period. Now, let's put it all together. I call this the nuclear shake. It's the ultimate solution for anyone who can't gain weight. The recipe: 1 cup of blended oats, 300 calories. 2 cups of whole milk, 300 calories. 3 massive tablespoons of peanut butter, 570 calories. 1 large banana, 100 calories. 1 scoop of any cheap protein or 2 raw eggs, if you're brave, 150 calories. Total: approximately 1,420 calories. Cost: less than $1.25. Drink this every single night before bed. It takes 2 minutes to make and 1 minute to drink. That's nearly 60% of your daily calorie needs in one go. This shake alone has helped thousands of skinny guys finally break their plateaus. It's not magic, it's just math. Look, the information is out there. You don't need a 200-a-month supplement budget. You need a 30-a-week Walmart budget and the discipline to actually eat. Most of you will watch this video and do nothing. But if you're serious about changing your life, I want you to do 2 things. First, comment bulk below, and I'll send you my exact 7-day shopping list based on these 5 foods. Second, hit that subscribe button, because next week, I'm showing you the exact 3-day workout split that maximizes these calories for muscle growth, not fat.